Imagine telling your phone, book my entire trip to San Diego, and within minutes, your flight, your hotel, and your rental car are all reserved. No clicks, no filling up endless form, and it is just done. And that's the power of agentic AI. And today we are going to break that down in the simplest way possible. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Abdoli, and this is Tech Talk Time. As you may know, we are entering a new era in artificial intelligence, one that goes beyond chatbots that just answer your question. This is called agentic AI. Instead of simply telling you what flight option exists, these AIs actually can book the entire trip for you. They are not just assistants anymore, they are agents, digital staff members that can take actions, automate tasks, and give you back the one thing we all want more of, time. So what's make agentic AI different? That's only one word, autonomy. So think of it like this. With today's assistant, it's like giving a chef a 20-step recipe they have to follow word for word. With agentic AI, you just say, make a special dinner for two, and the chef plans, shops, and cooks, all on their own. That's autonomy in action. You set the goal, and the AI figures out the steps to get it done. Let's take a look at an example and see how it's done in practice. So there are three components: the commands, the action, and the results. You say, book my trip for the annual marketing conference in San Diego next month from the 14th to the 16th. And next comes the action. So the AI check your calendar, remember your travel preferences, finds the best flights, book your preferred hotels, and reserve a rental car without interrupting you even once. And the result will be a notification that pops up, talk about your full itinerary that is confirmed and already synced to your calendar. That's the difference between today's voice assistant, which might just show you the flights, and an agentic AI that actually books them for you. Now let's take a look at the agentic AI under the hood and see what are the main components and architecture of agentic AI. This diagram is the map of its mind. Let's trace the journey of an agent from a goal to a result. It all starts with the agentic core, the central brain. Its job is to interact with the environment and fulfill a complex goal like book my travel. The AI starts by looking at the world through the senses, the perception and monitoring module. It takes in all types of data, text, voice, video, database info, and translate it into a format the brain can process. This is the observation flowing into the system. Next, the information flow to the long-term brain and memory. This is the AI Wisdom Center. The AI accesses its knowledge graph, its general understanding of the world, and its episodic memory, its personal history, like past successful booking or travel preferences. And in the goal and planning reasoning area, the AI combines the current goal with its stored knowledge to create a multi-step plan. For a trip, the plan is check dates, search flights, search hotel, book cars, and tasks like that. Next, with the plan in place, the AI moves into action through bottom half of the diagram, which is proactive decision making. The AI decides on the single best next step. It uses tool orchestration to figure out what external tool or system it needs to call: a flight API, a hotel database, or a car rental app. It also reflects on its progress, asking, is this step working? And next is the action execution. The AI acts. This means making API calls to book a flight, performing database update to confirm the reservation, or even sending text messages as notification. These actions create an impact back on the environment. And here is the magic of agentic AI. It's a constant, never ending loop. Every action creates a new state in the environment, which is immediately fed back as a new observation to the perception module. The agent doesn't wait for you. It constantly learns, plans, acts, and corrects itself until the entire goal, the fully booked trip in this case, is achieved. We just talked about the personal application of agentic AI, but in industry and enterprises, there are so many applications. For example, manufacturing. An AI agent can monitor sensors data across a factory floor, detect when a machine is about to fail, automatically schedule maintenance, order replacement parts, and update the operation dashboard without a human ever needing to intervene. In finance, instead of analysts manually reconciling reports, an agentic AI can gather financial data, detect anomalies, generate compliance-ready documents, and even notify a stakeholder of risks. In healthcare, picture an AI agent that takes a doctor's note, like schedule an MRI and follow up for this patient, and it books the scan, updates the patient record, notifies the insurance, and sets the calendar invite for the doctor, all automatically. And in our field, cybersecurity, an AI agent can detect unusual network activity, isolate the affected system, apply patches, and alert the IT team in real time, cutting response time from hours to seconds. These aren't just ideas. The companies are experimenting with agentic AI to cut costs, reduce errors, and boost productivities. There are many companies that already are in the field actively working in R&D and producing some products like Google, Amazon, Facebook, these giant companies, as well as smaller companies in the area. So to recap, the current AI is like a really smart researcher, great at giving you information, but passive. Agentic AI, on the other hand, is more like a chief of staff. It takes the research, execute the plan, and deliver the results. This is the real shift from answering questions to performing tasks, from assistant to agent. And that's the agentic AI in a nutshell. A future where digital agents don't just talk to you, they work for you. What would you like your agentic AI handles for you first? Your email, your travel, or running an entire department in your company? If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you do not miss the future breakdown of the tech that's shaping our world. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.